Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner Finn Austin here, and today I am going to be saluting on Gaming Master because I really love this user so hard. I love this user so hard. Enjoy the video. Gaming Master? Yes! This user rocks so hard. I really love this user so hard. He is so cute. Gaming Master is so cute and adorable. I really love this user so much. And he makes awesome videos. Wow. Look at all these videos that he made. I really love his videos. I really love his videos. His videos is amazing. And look at what Gaming Master did. He made a salute on me. Gaming Master, thank you for saluting on me. Thank you for saluting on me. Thank you for saluting on me, Gaming Master. I really love you. Gaming Master, I really love you so hard. Yep. Gaming Master? Yep. Gaming Master is my favorite user. I really love this user so hard. He is really cute. I also really love his girlfriend too. I also really love his girlfriend. I also really love his girlfriend. His girlfriend is really cute too. I also love I also really love his girlfriend's videos, and I also love his girlfriend's intro. His girlfriend's intro is amazing. I really love her. I really love her intro so hard. And you know who loves this user? Me and some other users who loves this user. Yep, I also really love this user. And do you know who hates this user? Dr. Manhole UTTPHDDC and Jewel Armstrong. Jewel Armstrong and Dr. Manhole UTTPHDDC hates that user with the burning passion. So Gaming Master rocks. And so does his girlfriend. Dr. Manhole, UTTPTHDTC sucks. End of salute. If you have any request about my salutes, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel